So that's a single barrel that will be our oldest bourbon ever released. So we're bottling it now because it's in its prime. So it will likely sit here a little while because we're consummating a special deal.
You said consummating, like a marriage.
I hope it is like a marriage, yeah. So, but we're gonna bottle these just so they don't change anymore through the summer because it's got the age, it's got everything it needs. What's that?
How old is it?
It's pushing 11 and a half years old. So color on it looks good.
Man, we just smelled it about burned this out, man.
Everything on it's money. So we're gonna bottle it and just sit on them for a while until the wedding vows have been made.
And does it have a name?
It does not have a name.
Consummation.
Nope. Oh, that might be the name. So
go ahead and walk them through how do you choose the barrels, man, and one of the process you go through when you're picking your barrels for the whiskey Blendery.
Yeah, so we're tasting them. So actually this week we'll have some people in tasting barrels, on our fill your own bottle experience.
Yeah.
So we've actually kind of turned that into trying barrels in a cool, like fun way and a fun experience because I need to open them anyway. And people are looking for unique and like really nice whiskey that fits what they want. So we're opening them together and then they can choose which one they like and then they get to bottle it straight from the barrel and then take it home, call it what they want. And so we're trying the barrels anyway, and it's more fun for us to involve people in that process. It's more fun for them too because how often do they get to go to a distillery, open up barrels, thief directly from the barrel, and then have an opportunity to take a bottle home from the barrel at that specific age that nobody else will get. So that's kind of how we do it now when we taste through them. And then once we know they're good, we'll mark them somehow to know that these are in their prime. And if we had more space, we would be bottling more barrels like this because we have so many that are in their prime right now, but we don't have the space for that. This one is very special.
But you got to do it,
and we got to do it, yeah, because the marriage license per se could take a few more months, and I might lose 3 more bottles to evaporation. And the flavor profile might change, and I love where the proof point's at right now. So everything's perfect on it. So I want to freeze everything by putting it in the bottle. So if I keep it in the barrel, everything still evolves and changes. Now, and I could roll the dice and see if it gets even better, but it's already world class. So I'm not going to mess with it.
That means that says a lot coming from a guy like Tim because he really is meticulous about what he's looking for in terms of quality, integrity, identity, and all the things that I've learned from him. Now, is there a place they can go and sign up to participate in basically a barrel tasting, unboxing a barrel?
Yeah, so we're trying to create a better system for that. So we're trying to revamp our website to where people will soon be able to go on the website, check available time slots and say, yep, I can come during this time, here's how many people I'm bringing, and then they can do it all online. So right now they have to message us or contact us or swing by and then schedule something with us to do that, because I'm not here all the time, and it might be Andy. Like tomorrow, Andy's got a group of 4 guys coming in, and they're just going to be trying barrels in here, and they're going to bottle their own and take it home and call it what they want. And so it's really an awesome Father's Day experience too. So we are busy this week with a bunch of stuff. So
I've heard, man. I'll be in here recording. So what makes a good whiskey recipe, man? Is there any recipes that you like better than others?
For sure. Yeah. And not to say that there's a silver bullet for a grain recipe or mash bill. I do love the 36% rye bourbon mash bill. So it's 60% corn, 36% rye, 4% malted barley. That's probably my favorite because I like the sweetness from the corn. I like the high rye, gives it a little kick. But I mean, we've got we've got some stuff like that's a 95% corn mash bill, and so everything's different. So those wheat barrels, and heck, those ones that tasted like candy corn, that was 99% corn. But yeah, those were awesome. Yeah, that one did make sense, but they're usually not that good. Usually it's like
not straight out the barrel, right?
We've got some exceptional barrels here right now, so that's why it's like, man, I'm trying these anyway, and I know they're going to be good, and let's open them up for the first time with people coming into the Blendery to see what we're about, and then they can try barrels for the first time with us, and it's almost like there's a special connection when whoever opens up the barrel for the first time after 7 years or whatever it is, whoever opens that up, there's like a special connection between that person and the barrel, and they instantly like it better than they normally should, or
well, it's never bad whiskey though, but it just goes, it feels, ownership is everything.
There's something mentally that goes on there that they just like the whiskey more than if they would just try it out of a bottle, so it means something more to them. So
hey,
it's pretty cool.
Something, all of us, man. We go do some unboxing videos. That'd be funny, man.
Yeah.
Like we got a collector's item, and you were doing an unboxing of a barrel. That stuff would probably work, man. So stay tuned. That could be interesting, man. All right, boss.